guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically kind of generate yourself to become like an athlete using AI on CapCut PC. So I have this photo right here and I'm just going to select the AI Stylize button, turn the style checkbox like on, and then go to AI photo, and here as you can see you have baseball, that's basketball, football, cheerleader, and baseball. They also have other stuff like 80s glam and 70 chorus and stuff. But I'm just going to select one of the sports and I'm just going to wait for it to generate. And it's pretty new, but yeah, that is pretty much it. I think they only have like one style for each of these, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Then I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!